This is a quick video on how to make the standard Tesla carpet floor mats looking like premium. This carpet floor mat comes standard with the car. It's very thin, as you can see there's not much height to it. So what I have bought online is metallic Tesla logo, and the idea here is to put that logo towards the corner. I've seen other premium cars do the same, and it just makes it look a bit more premium. Eventually I'm gonna replace this because it's too thin, it's very flimsy, but for now I'm gonna attach this label. So let's get started. So we'll now work on the driver's side floor mat. As you can see there, that's the footrest, and we'd want to position this on the bottom right, about half an inch on each edge there. And tools you need: a sharp pointy object like this, could be a small screwdriver, that would work too, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So to get started, let's twist this around, and what we'll want to do first is position it where we want it to be placed. So again, maybe an inch, maybe half an inch, maybe that's half an inch or an inch on each side. So maybe half an inch there and an inch there. And what you would want to do is feel, I'd like to start on the bottom corner there. So what I'll do is I'm actually pushing the carpet and just trying to get a feel where the thread is. So I think I feel it here, and just gonna punch a hole. Here it is. I think yep, punched the hole. So I'm gonna get rid of that and then try to remember where it is. It's a very small hole, so I'm just gonna use this other screwdriver just to make it big. There it is. Now the reason why we're making it bigger is because this is a tiny screw, and if I position this on top, I won't be able to see where the thread is. So I'm just making it bigger so I can align it properly. And that's what I did. So I can see it's all there, it's all aligned. So what I'll do is I'll push the screw, and then just screw it in, so I can feel the screw head, the screw actually bite the thread. Now it's sort of positioned already, so I'm just gonna make sure it's nice and straight. And again, just pressing it, just wiggle it around so that the carpeting material goes around the thread. And then, like what we did on the other side, just feel where it is. I can feel it's here. Here it is. Actually, yep, it's all through. Just move that aside, and then remember where it is. You can actually see it. It'll actually close after a while, so do it quick. So just make it bigger, and then before you remove the screwdriver, just put it on top, get the screw ready, and then push it in, and you can actually see the thread. Line up the screw, tighten, make sure, here it is. Then just do the same procedure to the passenger side carpet mat, but make sure to position it on the opposite side. What I like about this upgrade is that it's very inexpensive, and second, it's very easy to install, but the outcome is very satisfying. So it's highly recommended for those people who intend to keep their Tesla carpet floor mat instead of replacing it with the all-weather floor mat, just like everyone else seems to be doing. And that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below or write me an email at autos.gizmos@gmail.com. And finally, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click that like button. It will improve the YouTube algorithm and help me grow my channel. See you on the next one.